Alrighty, guys, car number 2. Here I have a 2010 Toyota RAV-4 color blue. And this could be a full in-depth tour of the RAV-4. It will start the engine, show it off, go through performance details, show you a bunch of features on the inside and the outside, etc. It's also four-wheel drive as well. I already have a 2008 Toyota Yaris, if you want to check it out. And so, without further ado, let's start her up, let her run. It's a blue exterior with gray cloth interior. Pretty basic. So this one's four-wheel drive. Anyways, let's fire it up. Nice. Starts right up. As you can see, there's a crack in the windshield. Still runs good. Oh. Very tight power steering. This is a 2-spoke steering wheel. Yeah. I believe it's a 4-speed or 5-speed automatic transmission. I don't want to shift it anyways. But e-brake. Nice. So we're going to flip on the headlights. Rear fog lights. And the hazards. Let's see where the hazards are. Window's already down. This thing's in great shape. This also has low kilometers too, just like that Silverado I did. These are aftermarket rims. So that's your exhaust. It's a little clicky, but... And this, his trunk is located by that door. You can also open the trunk by that door. That is sick. Like, look at it, man. Anyways, let's close her up. Alrighty, let's pop the hood. There we go. Great shape. It's in some really good shape. So this got a dual OB EBTI 4-cylinder. She runs great.